Hey, I'm Butch Benoit with Kenworth of Louisiana, and we're here today to talk about the ash treatment system and the maintenance of those systems on these trucks. If you find yourself in a situation where the check engine light's on, the wind blowing signal's on, you need to bring the truck in to have it checked out. If we find the codes for high differential pressure, it's probably time to have the DPF cleaned. So at that time, the DPF will be removed, taken off. We'll send this off to gray to have it cleaned. While it's been sent off to gray, we're going to take time to check the hydrocarbon doser and the depth doser, the rest of the system, make sure everything's working correctly. When the DPF comes back, we're able to put it back on the truck, put everything back together, run a regen, and record the regen to verify the repair. Once that's done, we can return the truck to service. So we sent the DPF to be cleaned. We're going to put it inside the machine and have it pneumatically cleaned. It's a process where there's high pressure air is blown through the DPF, top and bottom, to clean the ash out. Once that's done, Chris is going to take it out of the machine and flow test it. Depending on the flow test readings, it may or may not need to be baked. So when you find yourself in need of this service or any other service for big trucks, just visit us at any one of our 7 locations in Louisiana. More than happy to help you out.